we're counting down, as you can hear, counting down to this launch. Let's listen into mission control.
5, 3, 2, 1. Release, release, release. Clean release. Ignition. Good rocket motor burn. There's Mach 1, trimming now. Trim complete. Unity is pointed directly up and heading to space. Things are looking great. We are 25 seconds into the burn now, approaching Mach 2.
We can see from the ground.
30 seconds, Mach 2. Everything's looking really good and stable.
To an altitude of 56 miles above the Earth.
40 seconds.
All systems go.
40.
You're looking at the Unity spaceship from Virgin Galactic. There is the man himself, Richard Branson, on board the spaceship.
One day still to experience it. It's a complete experience in lifetime. And now I'm looking down at a beautiful spaceport. Congratulations to everybody for creating such a beautiful, beautiful place. Congratulations to all our wonderful team at Virgin Galactic for 17 years of hard work to get us this far.
Now, you just heard from Richard Branson himself.
All right, so
speaking live from the spaceship to his